Welcome! In this lesson, we will learn the anatomy of a knife. So I want to tell you a little bit about this because as we're going through the course, I'm going to be naming some of the parts of the knife, so you need to know about them. So pay close attention. So this is a chef knife, and in this part right here, this is the tip of the knife. This is the blade of the knife. We have the edge of the knife. This is where the knife will cut. And I wanted to show you there's a few different types of blades. One is a flexible blade. So it could be rigid as the one that I showed you, or it could be flexible just like this one. This knife is flexible and it will be used in fish butchery or fabrication. And then we have the Japanese knife. So regular knives actually go like this to create an edge, whereas the Japanese knife, one side is straight and one side is on the edge, making it more razor sharp. So this will be the Japanese knife. The next part of the knife is the bolster. So this one is important because it gives weight to the knife and it helps you with balance when you're cutting. Now the next thing is going to be the tang, which I can't pronounce properly, so I'm going to spell it for you. It's T-A-N-G. So what is a tang? Tang is basically the extension of the knife that is inside the handle, and this is the handle. The tang is held by rivets. Now we will not be talking about rivets and tangs, but we will definitely be talking a lot about the tip and the heel of the knife. So just remember those two important things and where the handle is. All right, now that we know the anatomy of knives, I'll see you on the next lesson where I will teach you how a knife is made.